tasks that need to be completed before entering any children. Go to the Management menu at the top and click Room, Group Names, then enter the custom names of the rooms starting with the youngest aged group room at the top. Click Finished when done. Clicking Finished usually takes you back to the previous screen, saving any changes made. Go back to the Management menu and select Edit Daily Price List. You can delete the sample sessions by clicking on a session and clicking Remove Selected Fee. Alternatively, click Allow Changes and you can then overtype these entries with your own values. Enter a session name. This will appear on the invoices, the under 2, 2 to 3 and 3 plus session rates, a description, only seen when entering sessions, the in and out times of the session, and if the session includes breakfast, lunch or tea. This does not change the session's monetary value, it just allows you to print meal numbers and is shown on some of the registers. The age triggers can be changed to just under 2 and over 2, or under 3 and over 3, or changed to a single trigger if you do not change the fees dependent on age. As the child reaches the age of each trigger when adding attendance months, they start being charged the relevant session price. When you have finished entering all your session options, click Apply, Save Sessions and Finished here. If you do not charge for closure such as bank holidays or some of your children at term time, you will need to go to Management and edit bank holidays. You can choose to enter closure days for actual days, weekly, school year or average children. These are 4 different billing options you can choose when entering a child. You can add months to each calendar as far ahead as you like to, then add the closure days. For school year children, the default number of Mondays, Tuesday and so on for each month are shown. You can adjust the number of days to charge as per your term calendar. For actual days children, you can adjust the days to charge for and also enter up to 2 bank holiday dates in a month. For weekly children, you can enter 2 bank holiday dates per month, and, if you have any averaged billing children, you can enter up to 2 bank holiday dates in a month and also change the number of weeks you average the fees over. Any closure days should be added before adding the months to the children on the main screen. You can now enter your first child by clicking Add New Child on the right side of the main screen. On the newly opened form, click Add New Child to blank all fields and create a new child record with a unique roll number. Enter the details for the child. You can short type dates and use your tab key to go to the next box. Records received always leave as the default, yes. Pay method again usually leave as cash or check. When you add payments, you can choose the type, for example BACs or direct debit. Agency always leave as no. You would set this to yes if another body apart from the parents need a separate invoice. You could then have 2 records for the same child and have one flagged as agency yes. This would stop this child from appearing the registers twice, etc. The other account for the child would be set to agency no and would appear only once in the numbers/ratios. If you have added the child's address, you can then click Edit Billing Address and click the button to copy the residential address to use as the billing address, which will appear on invoice and letters. You do not have to complete all the boxes, just what you need to record. Click Save Details and, if needed, click Add New Child to add another child. Click Finish to save the child's record and go back to the main screen. You can find children by clicking the first name or last name buttons at the bottom and type the first few letters of the name, or you can click the navigation arrows to move through the records one by one or to the first or last child. Click Add Month bottom left, then select the start month and their room/group. Once these boxes have been completed, you will now see the rest of the form. Click in the required Monday to Friday boxes to choose the sessions attending from your price list. You can also enter a percentage discount if needed. Click Save Sessions and Finished here to return to the main screen. The initial month is displayed now on the main screen. You can now click Add Month to add another month or multiple months for this child. The system assumes the child is attending the same sessions as the previous month. To modify sessions for any month, click to select the month, then click Modify Sessions, just above the attendance box. From here you can blank or modify the attendance pattern, add additional service charges, add the funded hours claiming per week, add a fixed monthly fee or a fixed voucher amount, and also add a discount percentage. You can click Move Me to move the child to a new room from this month, and clicking Copy Changes will fill the following months with any changes made in this window. You may also add the initial month for all children, then go to the Management menu and add Batch Months, select the month following the initial month, then click Add Selected Month. This will add the month for all children. Repeat for following months as needed. This way you can add the months for all children as far ahead as you like.